Hi, this is the quick unboxing of the Philips Mini Hi-Fi. It is the model is the BTM1360. Alright, I'm going to open the box. You get the batteries or battery, the remote control, just to give an idea of the size of these items. I'm going to use the tape measure to just demonstrate the size so you get an idea. This is 13 centimeters, so it's a real small remote. I mean, if you look at it in my hand, you can see it's a snug remote. Alright, so while we open it, let's put that battery in here. Okay, it's a Philips battery, just a normal zinc carbide battery, zinc carbon battery. Right, then we've got the instructions and warranty and quick start guide. I don't know who actually uses this stuff, but anyway, quite a lot of booklets here, multiple language support. Okay, we've got the cartons, these egg type cartons, taking them out. 2 speakers and the main event. Start with the speakers. This is what it looks like. You've got some very thin wire here. Just the sticker, 4 ohms. It's got a plastic cover here. I'll just open this. There it is. Just to give you an idea of the size. And the reason why I'm measuring the size is I was actually expecting something bigger. When I looked at it on the internet and I looked at maybe the photos that were taken at an up angle, so it looked much bigger than it actually is. We're looking at 9 centimeters by 11.5, so really some small speakers there. Okay, number 2. Same story. Now the main event, the deck itself. There we go. Steel power cord. Open the power cord here. Right, just having a look at the face of the unit. We've got the plastic cover here, scratch protection, and we've got another one here. Okay, power button, audio in, USB, source, eject button. Here's the tray, it's going to come out. We've got the volume knob, next, back, play, pause, stop. Sealed unit, black, some air vents on the side. We'd connect up these speakers as so, just to show you what it looks like if it was connected. Right, so the complete unit looks like that. The total width is less than 45. You're looking at 42.5. That's with a little bit of a gap there. Excuse me. The height, looking at less than 20. So it's actually a very small unit. I will do a review on its functionality, and that's the unboxing. Right, and I go to the review part of this video. This Mini Hi-Fi, I'm quite happy with it. You switch it on like that. You have a source button here, you can choose. You see it saying read. It's now trying to read if there's a CD in there or if there's a USB. So you've got source, which goes tuner, There is an antenna at the back here. You've got audio in. There's a line in there, a 3.5mm jack, and you've got Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth works very well. I have paired it with my phone, no problem. In fact, it's just paired right now. As soon as I put it onto the Bluetooth function, there's a little blue light LED there, and it's paired with my phone. And then I can put it to disk and USB. So I can put the USB in, just to demonstrate. It's saying folder. It said folder 3, so I have 3 folders on this USB. 3 folders with 3 different artists on. What happens, you press stop, and then it says folder 3. So if I want to go to the folder 2, then I go through the tracks like this, and I get to folder 2, and so forth. In terms of the construction, the unit is good. The materials are fine. The materials for the speakers are actually above average. It's almost like a super wood, better than the chipboard. The display is easily readable. The remote works very well. So the things I liked about this is it's actually really loud. I have had several of these units. I've had 2 Samsung units, and one of the Samsung units was absolutely not good at all. It was almost shocking in terms of volume. It would be very soft, and the other Samsung unit was outstanding, but it didn't come with a remote. So here you're getting a remote. The volume goes up to 32, and on the remote you've got cool functions like sound. You can choose the DSC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's like probably like a digital signal processing. They've got different sound profiles, like one with less bass, more clarity. So that's almost like your presets. And then you've got a mute button here, Bluetooth fast key here. Some other cool functions is you can see the clock. It's got a clock, and then the display. You can make the display lower or lower brightness or higher brightness, which is quite nice if it's next to your if it's on your side table next to your bed when you're sleeping. So it's got 3 brightness levels. I'm not going to play any music because there's no point in that, because you're going to hear it through the microphone of this camera. In terms of loudness, I'd give this a 9 out of 10. Distortion, look, if you're going to be listening to heavy metal, this is not the unit for you. And there are very few units that can handle heavy metal. But if you're going to be listening to pop music, house music, things like that, it's actually really good. The sound quality, I'd give a 6.5 out of 10. But most of these units do not have good sound quality. Unless you're going to get a Bose or a JBL and their middle to upper end stuff, the sound quality on this, it's good enough. The cost of this was very good. It was in South African rands, it was 1,300 rand, so that works out to be $100. Overall, would I recommend this? Yes. Would I buy another one? I may, because I have a little school and I might put one of these in each of the. So let me put it to the review in sum up. This is the best one I've had to date. In terms of the full feature, construction, a good usable remote, the Bluetooth, the USB, the CD, the fact that it's got a knob. You know, a lot of them you got a button. Now you want to go put the volume up loud quickly. You're busy doing this. It's like annoying. And if you press and hold it, it takes a while before it kicks in and goes into the automatic scrolling. So a knob is so important. All right. Thanks for watching.